morning.
Papa.
It is way colder than a few days ago. Now a new week started. Lily's gone to daycare again. And she picked her teddy bear this morning. You want to take your bear with you?
Yeah.
Okay. And the night was pretty good. Was awesome. That's good.
No.
She slept like normally.
No.
Yeah. Let's get rid of pussies. We have a little monster here.
Yeah.
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 The poo's a monster. Oh my goodness. Mommy had to work a little longer today. Uh-oh. I just came home a few minutes ago. Oh, I'm so tired. But Shavia?
Yeah.
Are you counting?
Yeah.
Don't drop my Mario and see what awesomeness is here happening. Papa is making pizza.
Woohoo!
Is Papa making pizza, Jojo?
Yeah.
Num num num. Smells garlicky. Yummy garlicky. Garlic pizza. I couldn't move anymore. This pizza was so awesome. I was just like, I'm full. Do you know this feeling when you're actually full, but you think, oh, one last bite, that'd be so awesome. That's what ended up with me. That's how it is. Ended up. Whatever, you know what I mean. And now I'm so full, laying on the couch, just enjoying my night. So, make yourself a beautiful dinner, and have a beautiful night. Bye-bye.